Hello everyone, I'm Guillaume, factory drivers for RTRC, and today I will show you basic things to check on your RTA V3 before hitting the track. Let's see.
In this video, I will show you how to properly clean all the dampers on your RTA V3 and explain the correct amount of grease to use. Let's start with the front suspension. Completely disassemble it and grab some paper towels and brake cleaner. First, clean the outside of the damper. Then, using an interdent brush, remove all the dust and debris from the inside. Most importantly, make sure the air holes are completely clean so air can flow freely through them. Do the same for the damper shaft by wiping it down with paper towels and brake cleaner. Next, apply some 5000 grease directly onto the shaft and spread it evenly by moving the suspension back and forth several times. This ensures the grease is properly distributed inside the damper chamber. Don't forget to remove any excess grease if necessary. Using too much grease can create a vacuum effect and restrict the movement of the front suspension. Now, let's move on to the center shock. First, remove the droop collar so you can fully disassemble the shock. Clean the shaft using brake cleaner and paper towel. For the inside, I recommend rolling up a small piece of paper towel and sliding it through the shock body to remove as much dust as possible. Apply some 5000 grease at the entrance of the shock body and move the shaft back and forth several times. Remove any excess grease near the end of the shaft where the droop collar sits. This will prevent a thread lock issue when reinstalling the collar later. A useful tip is that the shock body should slide smoothly down the shaft under its own weight. This confirms that you don't have any vacuum effect inside the shock. Also, make sure the ball cups move freely on the ball. If it feels tight, I recommend watching our first video where we explain a simple technique to free them up and achieve perfectly smooth movement. Now, for the rear suspensions. Just like before, fully disassemble the suspension and clean everything using small brush and brake cleaner. It is extremely important to completely clear the air hole to achieve optimal suspension performance. As you can see here, the air hole is almost completely blocked. A quick pass with a brush fixes the issue. Continue cleaning until you can clearly see the light passing through the hole. Clean the suspension shaft and then apply some 15,000 grease. I recommend applying the grease only at the entrance of the suspension body. Move the shaft back and forth to spread the grease evenly, then wipe away any excess grease with a cloth. Just like the center shock, the shock body should fall under its own weight on the shaft. Once again, make sure the ball cups move freely on the ball and there is no binding. And there you go, your RTA V3 dampers are now perfectly cleaned, greased and ready for maximum performance on the track.